Instead of discarding wood that's warped or uneven, individuals passionate about DIY projects can greatly enhance their workshop capabilities by investing in a jointer machine, specifically one of the top-tier benchtop jointers available. These specialized power tools are adept at precisely milling wood to create uniformly flat and squared edges on boards, facilitating flawless cuts and seamless joinery. Continue reading to discover the essential features to consider when selecting a benchtop jointer, and then delve into our curated selection showcasing some of the finest options currently on the market. Our compilation is the result of comprehensive market analysis and meticulous product evaluation. For pricing and additional information, please refer to the description below. Now, without further delay, let's dive into the video presentation. Number 1. Craftsman 10A CMEW020. I must say it's an outstanding benchtop jointer. The level of power it delivers is truly remarkable, with the ability to churn out an impressive 22,000 cuts per minute. What's even more impressive is its variable speed feature, allowing users to finely control their projects by toggling between 6,000 RPM and 11,000 RPM. I find this speed adjustment incredibly user-friendly, which seems to be a consistent feature of this model. Equipped with a 2-knife cutter head, I encountered no significant challenges when it came to swapping out the blades. Adjusting the knives is a breeze, contributing to the overall ease of use of this jointer. Another noteworthy aspect is the positioning of the fence, which provides ample support and guidance without causing any major hindrances. Moreover, its ability to tilt up to 45 degrees proves invaluable for executing precise cuts. In summary, I find the Craftsman 10A CMEW020 to be highly adaptable and user-friendly, making it an ideal choice, particularly for those who are new to this type of tool. Number 2. Shopfox 6-inch W1829. This Shopfox benchtop jointer, despite its compact size, compensates with remarkable capabilities. It boasts a 112 HP motor capable of driving the knives at speeds of 10,000 RPM, resulting in an impressive 20,000 cuts per minute. Additionally, it offers a maximum cutting depth of 1/8, which proves to be adequate for its intended tasks. The ease of adjusting the cutting angle from -45 to 45 degrees adds to its versatility. One notable feature of this benchtop jointer is its integral vacuum system, a rarity in similar models. This system effectively minimizes dust accumulation, ensuring clear visibility during operation. Achieved through a mini impeller, it efficiently removes chippings from around the cutter head, contributing to a cleaner workspace. Moreover, the straightforward process of adjusting the knives further enhances its user-friendliness. In summary, I am thoroughly impressed by the Shopfox benchtop jointer, particularly considering its compact size. Its combination of performance and space-saving design makes it a valuable addition to any workshop. Number 3. PorterCable 6 Variable Speed. If you're in the market for a portable benchtop jointer due to its lightweight nature, then I highly recommend considering this model by PorterCable. Weighing just 35 lbs, it's exceptionally light for this type of tool, making it incredibly convenient to transport. However, there are numerous other compelling reasons to consider investing in this tool. It boasts a fantastic variable speed feature that is both swift and straightforward to operate. This allows you to effortlessly adjust between 6,000 RPM and 11,000 RPM, granting you precise control over your project space. With a 6-inch capacity, this machine comes equipped with a 2-knife cutter head, making blade replacement a straightforward task when needed. Additionally, it includes a jack screw knife to aid in leveling, further enhancing its user-friendly design. The center-mounted fence provides ample support for various woodworking tasks, including edging, flattening, and jointing. Overall, I find this jointer to be exceptionally versatile and easy to use, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. Number 4. Powertech BJ60000. One of the challenges I often encounter with benchtop jointers is the amount of dust they tend to generate. That's precisely why I've chosen this Powertech model for those seeking the best benchtop jointer that minimizes dust more effectively than expected. However, don't assume that this machine compromises elsewhere just because it excels in dust collection. Quite the contrary, this machine boasts a robust 1 3/4 HP motor and can reach speeds of 10,000 RPM, which should be more than sufficient for most woodworking projects. What truly sets this tool apart for me, though, goes beyond its dust collection capabilities. I consider this model one of the safest options available on the market. Its user-friendly design includes an easily accessible switch-off mechanism in case of emergencies, a feature I find surprisingly absent in many other brands and models. Furthermore, this benchtop jointer exhibits exceptional stability during operation, enhancing overall control and reducing the likelihood of errors. However, it's the efficiency with which this model collects dust that truly impresses me. Finding another jointer that performs as well as this one in terms of dust collection can be quite a challenge. Number 5. Grizzly Industrial G0725. When it comes to tackling tougher tasks, I have a lot of trust in the Grizzly Industrial brand. Their machinery has consistently proven itself reliable, and this benchtop jointer is no exception. It's equipped with a robust 1.5 HP motor and can handle up to 20,000 cuts per minute. But what really stands out to me about this model isn't just its power or speed. It's how effortlessly it can be set up and adjusted to suit your specific needs. Plus, adjusting the cutting angle, which ranges from 45 degrees to 135 degrees, is a breeze. While the dust collection system on this model is sufficient, what really impresses me is its stability and durability. This jointer remains rock solid during operation, capable of enduring heavy use without faltering. Overall, while it may not boast any flashy features, its reliability and sturdiness make it a solid choice for regular use. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.